I have 3 roots of the Roselle lupin hybrid mix. The plant prefers full sun to partial shade and perennial in zone 3 to 7, meaning they come back year after year. Let's check the roots. Wow, nice looking. They have some growth here. I washed my hand and put on gloves because they say that all parts of lupins are toxic, especially the spring foliage. The seeds and the pods are the most toxic. Lupins contain lupinin that are toxic to both humans and animals. I'm going to separate them from each other. I better use both of my hands. The root system is very good. Look at those tiny stuff hanging. Those are young roots. The crown is that area where the stem meet the roots. So this area is the crown. This fibrous stuff are part of the old stem. My soil is moist but not saggy. I made 3 holes in this small cup. So my soil level would be up to there on the crown. Firm down the soil. This is my first time growing lupin, so I'm quite excited. Two down. Done potting the 3 roots. I'm putting them in another cup so that when I water, there won't be any mess. Putting them under the grow light. Lupins can grow as tall as 36 inches and produce bold, upright spikes of pea-like flowers in the summer. The flowers can be blue, pink, orange, yellow, burgundy, purple, and bicolors. Deadhead lupin to encourage continuous flowering. They are beautiful cut flowers. Hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies are drawn to them. It would be nice if you would subscribe to my channel and like my video. Have a blessed week ahead.